Less than 2 months to go until the official hurricane season. Forecasters are watching closely as signs point to a possible Super El Niño developing later this year.
If that happens, experts say it could change weather patterns, bringing more rain in parts of the South and fewer tropical systems in the Atlantic.
As 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Eric Glasser explains, meteorologists warn fewer storms doesn't necessarily mean less danger.
Well, one of the big topics of discussion during a weather forecasters conference happening today at Tampa International Airport was the potential impact of a rare Super El Niño. Many of the area's top meteorologists and weather forecasters, including our own Bobby Deskins, gathered today to talk about the upcoming 2026 hurricane season. And one of the biggest topics of discussion was the potential for a Super El Niño forming in the Pacific.
And so that then causes a global change in climate patterns.
Patterns that could impact all of us. With a Super El Niño, temperatures rapidly rise in the Pacific Ocean, leading to changes in the global jet stream, creating wind shear in the Atlantic, making it harder for storms to form or intensify.
More wind is good to break up anything that starts to develop.
We asked people stocking up on basics if the forecast of a Super El Niño would change the way they prepare for the storm season.
Well, I have listened to that, and I can just hold a good thought. I get prepared one way and one way only.
If it's going to be a low hurricane season, we probably would not throw up like most people would here.
Forecasters warn against complacency since El Niño years don't historically mean a lack of damaging storms. Hurricane Andrew, for example, hit Miami in a strong El Niño year, devastating South Florida.
So yeah, just keep focusing on the message that it can only take one.
And still another potential side effect from a Super El Niño, lots of rain, possibly leading to a reversal of our drought conditions, but creating its own risk of wind damage and flooding. In short, potential for more storms, just not as severe. In St. Petersburg, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay News.
This is why we get prepared now. Forecasters say, of course, there's still plenty of uncertainty because long-range spring forecasts are often a little less reliable this far out.
Yeah.